When deciding on a booster shot, a third dose of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine, the FDA advisory panel had a few things to consider.
So I think the biggest question that was on the FDA's mind is the antibody immunity going down reflective of a lack of clinical protection? And if so, who are the people that would benefit most from the booster? And those were the two difficult decisions they had to grapple with. Pfizer presented data showing that the antibody protection going down is the main driver of the increased spread of COVID, and they actually didn't buy that. They said that it's the unvaccinated people that are really driving the spread of COVID.
Nine Health expert Dr. Payal Kohli said Pfizer's safety data on boosters came from a small pool, only a few hundred people. The advisory panel wanted more evidence before greenlighting a third shot for everyone. So for now, it's a no vote on boosters for most of the general population, but a yes for the most vulnerable. A surprise decision for some, with all the pressure around boosters. Other countries like Israel are already doing it. The Biden administration was pushing to start boosters for the general population later this month. Even Governor Polis had some choice words on this issue earlier this week.
Well, first of all, we can all celebrate the news that Marion Gruber and Phil Krause have left the FDA in disgrace over unnecessary delays for the booster.
I do applaud the FDA for making the more difficult decision. It would have been easy for them to say, go ahead and give the boosters to everyone. But for the sake of vaccine equity, for the sake of science, and for the sake of safety, they made the kind of more difficult decision right now, which is let's really be judicious about who we use it in.